Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by matching the sheet to your mattress size and orienting it so the elastic corners face down. Once you find the top edge, slip the nearest elastic over the top left mattress corner. This anchors the sheet and prevents shifting. You do this first because securing one corner lets you work systematically instead of wrestling the whole sheet. Make sure the fabric lies flat along the top rail to reveal any misalignment before you fit the opposite corners. Once the top corners are anchored, pull the sheet diagonally across the mattress to reach the opposite top corner and fit its elastic. This evens tension. Then work down one side. Pull the elastic under the mattress and tuck the fabric into the gap where the side meets the base, repeating on the other side so both edges are snug. Make sure to smooth wrinkles as you go, because even tension prevents bunching and keeps the sheet from popping off during use. You finish by walking around the bed, checking each corner and smoothing the top surface so the sheet lies flat and taut. This improves sleep feel and prevents early wear. If edges ride up, lift the mattress slightly and push the elastic further under, or add sheet straps for extra grip. If the sheet is too small for a pillow top, choose a deeper pocket size next time. Always retention corners after heavy use to keep the fitted sheet secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.